today I am finally over helping I don't know if I'm really helping my boyfriend's family. There goes the truck. Every time I'm over here it's either pitch black and I never have my camera, so I don't know, just thought I would show you. I didn't want to be too biased, so I thought I should get some green equipment on there. How's your day going?
Like shit.
Hey, no swearing on these! Just hanging out here, waiting to get this semi-filled. Don't you do it! See? You ruined my video. Okay, so Zach is up here and has this nice little remote on his neck. And he can make this move. I'm so jealous. I about throw my back out when I move ours. Look at that. And he can make that fancy little light go on and off. Oh my gosh. That is just way too easy. Way too easy.